Welcome to day 18 of your 30-day Repeat After Me Shadowing Challenge. Today, we're focusing on a very important topic, talking about your health and navigating doctor visits. These phrases are essential for clearly communicating your needs and understanding medical advice in English. Remember the shadowing technique. Listen carefully to the native speaker, then repeat the phrase during the pause, focusing on pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. We'll repeat each phrase multiple times to help you master it. Let's get ready to talk about our health with confidence. Here we go. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. I don't feel well. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a fever. I have a fever. I have a fever. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. I have a cough. I have a cough. I have a cough. I have a cold. I have a cold. I have a cold. I have the flu. I have the flu. I have the flu. I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. I need to see a doctor. Can I make an appointment? Can I make an appointment? Can I make an appointment? What are your symptoms? What are your symptoms? What are your symptoms? How long have you had these symptoms? How long have you had these symptoms? How long have you had these symptoms? Take this medicine. Take this medicine. Take this medicine. Rest and drink plenty of fluids. Rest and drink plenty of fluids. Rest and drink plenty of fluids. You need to get some rest. You need to get some rest. You need to get some rest. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I have a stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. I have a stomach ache. My arm hurts. My arm hurts. My arm hurts. I twisted my ankle. I twisted my ankle. I twisted my ankle. Do you have any pain? Do you have any pain? Do you have any pain? On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain? On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain? On a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain? I need a prescription. I need a prescription. I need a prescription. Where is the pharmacy? Where is the pharmacy? Where is the pharmacy? I have an allergy to penicillin. I have an allergy to penicillin. I have an allergy to penicillin. How many times a day should I take this? How many times a day should I take this? How many times a day should I take this? Should I take this with food? Should I take this with food? Should I take this with food? I'm feeling much better. I'm feeling much better. I'm feeling much better. Excellent work today. You've just completed day 18 of our Repeat After Me shadowing challenge. You practiced essential phrases for talking about your health and navigating doctor visits, which are crucial for your well-being in English-speaking environments. Keep practicing these phrases and remember to communicate clearly when discussing your health. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more daily challenges, and let us know in the comments what's one healthy habit you practice daily. Join us tomorrow for day 19, where we'll tackle making plans and invitations. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.